The title of my speech is When Good People Unite, Nigeria Wins. When good people unite, Nigeria wins. But the summary of what I have here is this. I will read for so that the press can pick this. I welcome our brothers and sisters from PDP, Labour and others into the new APC. This is not about what divides us. No. It's a bold movement to rescue Nigeria, to rescue Nigeria's democracy. At a time when our people face hardship and despair, we must rise above partisanship and rebuild our nation with transparency, internal democracy, and inclusion for youth and women. Today marks a new beginning, which is proof that when good people unite, the best will surely come out of it. Summary of what I have here. I want to read this question. To welcome you all to this very important event in the political evolution of our nation. I must therefore thank the leaders of our great party, the African Democratic Congress, APC, for the kind invitation to this event, all of you. And I will pause here to speak today about Dr. Mgbeke. Yes, PDP owns him now. But himself and some people here who are with us at the beginning of this process in 1989. We are the people called criminals then. And what we did in Lagos is still unbeatable. So we defeated the establishment here. He gave all odds. He was there with CP, Emmanuel Aregbeshola, and several others. I was there. My subsequent then was the young. That's the story for